Are you looking for the best rolling makeup cases in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rolling makeup cases that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. YAHEETECH 3-in-1 Cosmetic Train Case. YAHEETECH Trolley Makeup Case can handle up to 66 pounds weight of your large beauty products. It is available in 4 different colors. All the colors are attractive and good-looking. It comes with 4 detachable multi-directional wheels and a telescopic handle for easy transport. You can carry the upper portion of the trolley on your shoulders by detaching it. The interior of the makeup case includes large dividers to store all the products neatly and for easy access to all the beauty items. Also, the outer case of the trolley is built with the top-grade plastic outer case, metal, and aluminum edges. Just to protect the accidental damages of the items, soft Oxford cloth lining is done inside the rolling case. At number 4. YAHEETECH Rolling Professional Lock Case. YAHEETECH makeup case has detachable 4 wheels, which have swivel motion for easy transport. The innovative hexagon handle provides excellent steadiness. 4 removable trays are designed to store small items, and the bottom of the case can be used to store big products. It is a versatile train makeup case. It includes 2 lock clamps that keep your products safe. You also get 2 keys along with the rolling makeup trolley. The top-grade ASB plastic with polyester lining has been used in its construction. The aluminum sliding track provides corrosion-resistance movement. You can choose between 3 colors for this case that are black, multiple, and red. At number 3. MEFEIR 4-in-1 Rolling Makeup Train Case. The pink and black color aluminum frame rolling trolley case is durable and sturdy. The reinforced steel corners of the body give it a solid look. It is a 4-in-1 trolley case with 8 lock keys to ensure the safety of your expensive products. You can carry it as a small makeup kit or can store all your beauty products at a time. It has an elegant and stylish design. It has 4 rolling wheels, which are easy to rotate at a 360-degree angle and does not toddle. You can detach the wheels when not needed. The process of attaching and detaching the wheels just takes a few minutes and is not a tough task to do. The Velcro straps around the telescopic handle are used to provide more stability to the case. For greater comfort, it has a padded handle, and you can adjust the height of the telescopic handle as per your need. At number 2. Classic Black 2-in-1 Soft-Sided Rolling Makeup Case. Classic Black is a signature-style makeup trolley that has soft sides. It is designed in a way that it never gets outdated in a year. You can use it as a 2-in-1 combination case. The upper portion can be used as a bag with strips to hang on the shoulders. The bottom portion can be used separately with rolling wheels and a telescopic handle. 4 wheels provide 360-degree swivel motion for smooth movement. There are 8 replaceable drawers in this makeup case. You can use these drawers to keep small items, and if in case you need to store large items, you can remove the drawers. This brand offers you an excellent after-sales service. There is 30 days return policy, 90 days manufacturer warranty, and a 1-year warranty for the wheels in case they break down during regular use. At number 1. Aliru 4-in-1 Aluminum Rolling Cosmetic Makeup Case. It is the top rolling cosmetic makeup case with a silver color aluminum frame. The brand has designed it in 2 colors that are black and purple. All the corners of the makeup case are of stainless steel. 2 wheels help in providing smooth motion. You get a total of 8 keys along with this makeup trolley, 2 for each compartment. The upper surface is of ABS and has velvet lining inside. You can use this rolling trolley as your small-sized kit, large trolley to fit in all the beauty products, and much more. It can be used in 4 different styles due to its removable layers. The exterior material of the trolley is heat resistant to keep all the products fresh inside and protect them from the harsh rays of the sun. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.